Hello everyone. In this video we are going to create a simple Bollinger Band strategy. To create a new strategy, from the bottom navigation bar we will click on the second option. Here we will click on create new strategy. I will name the strategy as ball bands and click on create. Now on this page we have to choose, are we creating a buy strategy or a sell strategy? We'll stick to a buy out here. We have to then add our scripts. I have already created a basket in order to save time. So I'll choose the basket by the name ball bands. Once I choose the basket, whichever stocks are there in that basket will be added out here. After this, we have to put in our entry conditions. My entry conditions are going to be close of the candle is crossing above the lower Bollinger Band. We'll stick to the default parameters of the Bollinger Band. We'll click on done. After this, we will add our exit condition wherein my stop loss will be 2%. My target profit is 4%. We will also add an exit condition wherein my condition will be close of the candle is crossing below the upper Bollinger Band. We will click on done. Once this is done, we have to edit our parameters wherein my candle interval will be 15-minute. My order type is going to be CNC/NRML. Rest everything we are going to stick to the default parameters and click on done. Post this, we will click on run backtest. Once we click on run backtest, the returns on these stocks on the strategy are there in front of us. If you want to deploy these stocks on this strategy, you can click on deploy all. You can choose between paper trading and live trading. You can edit the quantity as per the capital you have. You can enter the strategy cycle as per the number of entries and exits you want. After this, you have to just accept the trading terms and click on live trade. Once you click on live trade, this strategy is deployed in live market, and whenever the conditions are met in live market, you are going to get a notification for the same. Thank you so much, everyone.